Hey everyone, this is Paul Yeager, and in this video I'm going to walk you through how I sign up for Safelist and the process I follow so that I can keep everything organized. So here, and a lot of Safelists have different looks and different feels to the whole sign up process and the login process, but for the most part they're all the same for the most part. So first I want to just click join free and put my phone on silent so it doesn't continuously interrupt. And then I'll have some messages to respond to. Pretty straightforward sign up process. Now, some sites are what we call list builders, viral mailers. Some are safe lists, but they're all pretty much the same. A safe list will ask for your list address and a contact address. A list builder or a viral mailer, which is basically the same, they'll only ask for one email address. And if that's the case, I use my contact address. So, and I have multiple because I've been doing this for a long time, but if you're just getting started, you should only need one contact address, one list address. So, and enter it again to confirm. And create a username and password. Confirm the password. And currently I don't have a Uphold account, so you can just leave that blank if you know, unless you do have one, and that's just so they can pay out commissions if you refer other people that purchase advertising in the system. But you don't have to purchase in order to advertise. Purchasing just kind of allows you to trade your time for money. You know, if you want to spend less time, then you could spend a couple dollars and be done in a matter of minutes versus a matter of hours, you know, depending on the site and everything. But you don't have to. And just need to hit the right keys and agree to the terms and submit. And I'll save that. Okay, they are going to ask for a contact address. Well, then I'm just going to be a bit backwards. Normally they ask for two addresses on the home page, but the original sign-up page. But I'll just be a little backwards and I'll change this later. So I'm giving them my list address, but I'll just have to swap them. And then click complete registration. Now it's asking me to confirm my two addresses. So over here is my contact, and I see I already received my email from List Compass. So first thing I'll do, click the confirmation link. Now it's telling me that this is verified and I have to verify the other. But before I do that, this is how I keep myself organized. I'll go up here, I'll filter messages like these, and this can come from no reply or admin or members. So what I do, I just delete everything in front of it and just leave the @listcompass.com. Click create the filter, and then over here I'll choose apply the label, never send to spam, and also apply to the matching conversation. And then I'll just create a new label and we'll call it List Compass, and click create and create the filter. And now if we look on this long sidebar, right here you'll see List Compass, and all emails incoming from List Compass will come in here. This makes it easy if you're surfing for credits. Okay, I need credits at List Avail. So I could come here and it's all email from List Avail. List Impact. So much easier to earn credits in one site rather than walking into this mess. Oh crap. I need credits from whatever, and you're like weeding through here and you waste a lot of time. So that's why I do that. And next, I want to go over here to my list address and look for that email. You see it's not in my inbox. It popped up over here in promotions to confirm. And if you don't see it anywhere here, then you want to go here to more and check the spam folder. Hooray, no spam. But it did come under promotions, so I want to click here to confirm my subscription. And now I'm confirmed, but before I log in or do any of that stuff, I want to pop back over here and do the same thing for this email account. Delete that, create the filter, never send to spam, apply to the 2 matching conversations, and again, we'll just label it List Compass and create the filter. Now see where I have a newsletter and a welcome gift. Next, you want to log in. And any site, you're going to see this. They're going to approach you with 1, 2, 3, the most I've seen is 4 offers that really can make the difference in how much time you need to spend at a site. I do encourage upgrading, not at every site, but if there's like a lifetime, yeah, like this, the lifetime memberships are usually really good, but a lot of times I won't take them up on the offer at first. I try to use nothing but the free membership to start with until I see what kind of results it's producing for me. And if the results are pretty good with the free mailer and the free advertising, then I may decide that I want to upgrade, whether it's, $5 a month or a lifetime membership or whatnot. But I encourage you to test it first to see if it's going to be worth it. But they always have the option at the bottom to just hit no thanks. Well, surprising. They only had one offer. And then here we're at the login ad. You can view the ad. If it sounds like something interesting, go for it. One thing I do encourage, and you can rate this, but I'm not going to. I'm just going to say no thanks. I do encourage you to look at ads, but if you're trying to build a business and you just keep seeing business opportunity after business opportunity, do not spread yourself thin and try to get involved with everything. That's a big mistake I made when I first started online. And whenever you first log in, I'll do this after the video so you don't have to sit here and watch me type, but I'll fill out all my profile information. And some sites will give you some free credits and sometimes not. I see they gave me 30 credits. That could have came from the login ad. Some sites have a promo code section. Yeah, like here. So if I have any promo codes, I'll provide them for you. But, and sometimes the owner will have a promo code listed here on the home page, so check it out. And that's pretty much it. I hope this video wasn't too long, but this is the process I follow to keep myself organized every time I join a site, creating those filters. And I guess that's it for this video, and I will talk to you soon.